Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata with the hybrid. This is a 2.4 motor, and so we're going to go over how you would check the oil and where you would add oil on this vehicle. So the oil dipstick is right here. So to check it, you pull it out. You're going to clean it off. Now you'd want your vehicle to be on a level surface and the engine not running to get the best reading. So we pull it out and we clean it, and then we're going to reinsert it, and we want to see that our oil should be between these two marks, the full and the low. Put that stick back in there. And we can see that we are in the adequate range of operation. Is actually a teeny bit full, so that's full. But if you needed to add engine oil, to top off a little bit of engine oil, you have the oil cap right here. It's right here, and so you would just spin this off of a counterclockwise, and you add your engine oil. Maybe use a funnel to get it in there so you don't spill it down the motor and you don't get that burnt oil smell. So you'd add your oil right here, and it says a 5W20 is what you want to use, and then just put the cap back on until it snaps. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.